Last time, one house on a grid. This is what that house grew into. A yard that moves. First, still a box house on empty grass. One blue capsule that finally walks. Then the door wall got windows. Same house, a face. Then timber, a chimney, a dirt path. The capsule is a person. A kitchen garden on the right. Fence beds, cabbages. 2 more people. 3 walkers. Same loop script, different clothes. A pig in the dirt by the garden. A well and trees, so the yard is not a golf green. Then a cow by the well. Same camera each time, each still added one thing. Those were poses. This is the same yard walking. They slide toward pins we placed by hand. Godot has no house type and no NPC type. It has nodes. What a thing is which node and whether a script moves it. The house, the well, the trees stay put. The people, the pig and the cow walk. Same scene, 2 jobs. 1 walker script. Pig and cow too. An NPC is a body. The hat is just clothes. The sun, the lamp, the orbit camera. None of that is content. They make the yard readable. A game would parent that camera to a player. This is not a game yet. No player, no WDSD. Legs do not cycle. No shops, no inventory, no day and night, no win. 2 halves of a 3-dimensional game are already here. A world that collides and bodies that walk in it. Next is a player you can drive. The agent missed this. A timber belt ran through the front door. I saw it on the still and said, take it off, then the door reads as a door. The first house was yesterday that was Claude, then the weekly limit hit. So this yard is Grok. It does not matter which agent you use, the setup does. That is the weekly limit. All models 100% used. Same Godot command line. The agent calls it to build, then take a still. A viewer I built shows each still as it lands. I do not keep refreshing the editor. That sped the work up a few times. I opened the Godot app once or twice for a detail. Last time, the agent rewrote the game just to take a picture. This round, it looks at a still from outside. The game file does not change. Build, look, say what is wrong. That is the loop. 3 things. Start with one house. You can see a village is that house plus actors on loops. You still steer by looking at a picture. If you want the one where someone can walk this yard, subscribe.